Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I'm very, very happy because all my fellow trainers, leaders, breakthrough coaches have made it so easy for me. Some were singing, some were dancing, some were using the stage well, some spoke very well, some demonstrated very well, some did it like super wow, and I'm sure Ashok sir, Ajay sir, they promised me they'll smile at in all presentations and they love all presentations. They guaranteed me that. So great. Now, how many of you want a mantra for success and happiness? Thank you. How many of you want to be in a powerful position always? In an empowered state every day. Have nice affiliations. Build relationships. Sir John Singh?
हमको भी दे दो all
Yeah, great. So all this is achieved when you follow your legend. Simple. So one day, this onion and this tomatina, they had not attended NLP Master Practitioner. So they were having a conversation. You're so strong. I feel so soft. I feel so touchy. And I have tears. Almost in every transformation story, transformation coach tali to ho jaye. They were feeling very upset. And their stuck state, unresourceful state continued till they found their ikigai. What is iki? Iki means life. Being alive. Are you feeling alive?
Yes.
I know you're obedient, nice, participative audience, uptime. So great. What is Gai? Worth living. Being of benefit. So is our life worth living?
yes
Is our life serving like Ishita touched upon so many points? And now women empowerment. He stood up and clapped. So that was the motivation. So let us find our joy. Let us find our bliss. And celebrate our unique nature. Simple. But what is Ikigai? That old Japanese concept? No. It's Swadharma. It's told in our scriptures. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 3, 35th sloka. But why? If you're doing your duty perfectly, or even with faults, but it should be effortless. That is what is Swadharma. Just be comfortable in your skin. Don't copy others, right? So it is important that you feel nice, comfortable in an empowered state. Sounds like transformational mindset, right? Good. So there are some important aspects. If this was a mic, some people would want to talk. And if I was like Hemant, I would start singing. And Shushmita as well. Some people would want to dance. So means what? Guarantee every one of you is intelligent. That is what Howard Gardner said. There are 9 intelligences and everyone is intelligent. What is intelligence? Not your 12 standard scores. Not your 10 standard scores. It is ability to solve problems. And that's what we learn in NLP. So good. Is that all? I have found that yes, I am intelligent. Still I go to Pooja ma'am and say I am confused, I am not happy. I have all the bank balance, I am not happy. She says, what is unhappiness? What does that mean to you? Right? Then she will say, no, she will not say like this. This is my course, sorry. So she will say, is that happiness? Or is that unhappiness? Then I will say, aap hi bata do. Right? So then I got this wise gyan from the wisest person on the planet. He said, Intelligence is fine, but that is not all. You should know who you are. Your meta programs. I mean, basic and advanced meta programs. So, very simply put, from scriptures as well, there are three kinds of people. There is some mud here. So, soil personality, the element earth. Water personality. And the last one will be
Fire.
I need not burn them. It's okay. So why did you say all this? Earth, water and fire. Because there are three paths that you will find your joy, where you will achieve success and satisfaction, peace and feast. Because they said paid client, so पैसे मिलने चाहिए, right? Money and harmony, money and honey. शशांक भाई ठीक चल रहा है. He's my favorite, yeah. So money and honey, very important. So now what? Water means bhakti yoga. Water means bhakti yoga. Soil means karma yoga.
Oh, lovely.
I dedicate my duties and do my duties well. And if you're too strong and you are a change maker, you want to empower women and empower males as well. Because we also come in a stuck state. Yeah.
Wow.
So what happens is, हो गया क्या time? चालू रहो. अब ऐसे ही होते हैं मेरे jokes. क्या करें? ये joke था. So fire is jnana yoga. So choose anyone, but know yourself. Know thyself, be thyself. And that is what somebody said. Feel like a lion. Who said? Smita. Yeah, so I'm good, yeah. I remember you. So great. Now let's move. Now I am known. I'm intelligent. And I know I'm bhakti person, I'm feeling nobody should cry. Nobody should be in pain. Now I'm on my journey. But I should become selfless. So I'll do a small demonstration. So please be patient till I do my goal. So this is, you are all NLPians, right?
Yes.
Breakthrough
Yes.
coaches.
No.
Yes. So this is your territory. What happened in the mud? It started polluting. Some of us, when we are in unresourceful state, something happens to us and we start backbiting, gossiping. Some people need us, right? So this is the first type. So the second type is a stone personality, doing nothing, absolutely nothing. But you know what I'm saying? खाना तो मिल ही रहा है, हेमंत सर खिलाई देंगे, असाइनमेंट के बिना भी काम चल जाएगा, सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, but we have to earn it. So it is our values. So he also did value elicitation with the breakthrough coach Nikita, and then transformation happened. Don't expect it in the third person. Some of us, we only take from the community, but there are rare few. Sugar.
वो पी सकते हैं बाद में.
They really sweeten the atmosphere. They sweeten the society. All of you, the great leaders, after learning Ikigai, NLP, Master Practitioner, and look at these topics, my God, revise, you will sweeten the atmosphere and you will make it beautiful. Yeah? अब ताली तो बनती है. That is not all. I learned. We may look similar. Hands, legs, empowered, all our certificates. And then quote, यहाँ पे photo होगी, master coaches होंगे. We have a choice. to be like salt and sugar. Just be there, add value, and make a difference. Thank you so much.